Kia ora te whānau. How are you feeling today? I'm excited because those trumpets can only mean one thing. It's toy time!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora. Ko Jojo aho. I'm feeling happy because I just visited my koro. I'm smiling and I have a nice warm feeling in my puku. I feel like the colour of my t-shirt, a bright sunny yellow.
Beep, beep. Kia ora, ko riki tōku ingoa. I'm angry because I'm stuck in traffic and my tummy's all tied up in knots and I feel like the colour of Maya's t-shirt. Angry red.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Ricky. Oh, kia ora. Ko Maya tōku ingoa. I'm sad because I lost my favourite recipe book. My body feels heavy and I feel like the colour of Ricky's shirt. Blue as blue can be.
Oh dear. Is there anything I can do to help you feel better, Maya?
I'm so angry. My body's all tense, my hands are all clenched and my shoulders are raised up and... hey, talking about it's making me feel less angry.
Oh, then keep going, Ricky.
Okay, I can't wait to get home and have a nice yummy snack and I'm less angry and more hungry. Does that make me hangry? Titiro, I'm smiling and my shoulders are relaxed. Talking about it has helped. Oh, I feel better. Thanks for listening, Ehua.
My pleasure. Would you like to talk about how you're feeling, Maya?
No thanks. I think I just need to feel sad for a bit.
That's okay. Take your time. Because the great thing about friends is that we're always here whenever you need us.
However you're feeling. Oh, look, the traffic's moving again. Beep, beep.
If you're feeling happy, then stomp your feet. If you're feeling happy, then dance with me. If you're feeling happy, then stomp your feet. If you're feeling happy, then dance with me. I've got lots of feelings, it's okay when I feel them, 'cause every emotion is okay. If you're feeling sad, give yourself a hug. If you're feeling sad, do a big shrug. If you're feeling sad, give yourself a hug. If you're feeling sad, do a big shrug. I've got lots of feelings, it's okay when I feel them, 'cause every emotion is okay. If you feel excited, then jump around. If you feel excited, then sing out loud. If you feel excited, then jump around. If you feel excited, then sing out loud. I've got lots of feelings, it's okay when I feel them, 'cause every emotion is okay. If you're feeling angry, just shake it out. If you're feeling angry, then yell out loud. If you're feeling angry, just shake it out. If you're feeling angry, then yell out loud. I've got lots of feelings, it's okay when I feel them, 'cause every emotion is okay.
order, Jojo.
Oh.
What are you up to?
Oh, kia ora. I'm making something to cheer up my friend Maya.
Oh, where is she?
She went for a walk in nature. Sometimes it's nice to have some quiet time by yourself.
Boop, boop, boop. Oh, who said that?
Meet the Buzz 3000 laughter machine. I'm going to program the Buzz 3000 with funny things to cheer up Maya, like jokes. Boop. Why are frogs so happy? Boop.
Why are frogs so happy?
Boop. Because they eat whatever bugs them. Boop. Get it? Bugs them.
Oh, I've got one. Beep. What do you call an angry, sunburnt rabbit? A hot cross bunny.
Oh, and I'm going to put in hugs too. Boop, boop.
What about some aroha?
I got that right here. And last but not least, tickles. Boop, boop, boop.
No, stop it. Stop it.
Looks like the Buzz 3000 is programmed and ready for fun.
I've got one.
Oh, go on then.
Why did the robot need new pants?
Why?
Because he oiled himself. Ha ha. Ha ha.
Kia ora tamariki mā, I'm Auntie Anika, and I'm feeling very silly today. I have a lot of energy bursting to come out. My body, it wants to jump. Ah! And make some noise. Chee-hoo! Sometimes it's hard for me to sit still, so I let my silly energy out in fun ways, like pulling funny faces. Moving around in a funny way. And talking in a funny voice. Hello, how are you? But sometimes I feel grumpy, or angry, or frustrated. And it feels really good to whack something with a stick. I feel better. You could try this at home by making drums with pots or buckets or containers from the recycling. Haere-ra.
Roll up to the wonderful, splendiferous Buzz 3000 laughing machine.
Guaranteed to lift your spirits and tickle your funny bone.
Kia ora, Maya. Would you like to try my cheering up machine?
Yes, please.
The first setting is jokes.
Boop, boop, boop.
Did you hear the joke about pizza?
No?
Never mind, it's too cheesy.
Oh, I do like cheesy pizza.
I think it's working. The second setting is for hugs. Boop.
Oh, that feels nice.
It is working. And the third setting is for tickles.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
And the last setting is my personal favorite. It's silly sounds to do silly dances to. Boop.
Thanks, Ma. Focusing on my friends and funny things has made me feel a lot better. And it feels so good to say thank you.
You're welcome, my friend.
Boop, boop, boop.
It's a book. It's all about food.
A book all about food. My recipe book! Oh, I must have left it out here this morning when I was looking for recipes. Thank you, Buzz 3000.
You're welcome. Hey, what did the grape say to his friend?
Oh, I don't know. What did the grape say to his friend?
You're pretty grape.
Oh, you're pretty great too, Buzz 3000. Oh, and you, Jojo. And you, Dickie. And you, my recipe book.
Buzz 3000, beatbox mode. Beep.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm at a Papatakaro, and that's my 7th favourite place in the whole world to be. Come on! Perfect. Whoa! Check this out, my cuzzies. It's ginormous. I want to climb to the top. Oh, but what if I can't make it? And what if I fall out? And what if I get to the top and then I can't get down? I'm feeling afraid. Mataku. Oh. Be brave, cuz. Buzz the Cuz, back at it again. Let's go. You can do this, Buzz. Remember, my cuzzies, when you're climbing things, always have 3 points of contact. Kia kaha, Buzz. Kia maya. Kia... You got this, Buzz. 3 points of contact. Oh, what's going over there? Okay, Buzz, you got this. Almost at the first platform. Platform! Oh, check it out, my cuzzies. We're already really high. Okay, we've still got some way to go. Oh, check it out. This is really, really high. We're almost at the top. Woo! And we made it to the top, Etefano. Check it out! Whee! All right, time to get down. Now, be really safe. 1 step at a time. 3 points of contact. There we are, right there. I conquered my fear. Woo! Oh. Whee! Go get down low, my cousins.
Oh, don't you love it when it rains at night time, Wolfie?
Nope. It makes me feel scared. Oh, the sound of thunder made me jump, and it's making my heart beat faster. Ba-doom, ba-doom, brrrr.
Oh, it's okay, Wolfie. I'll look after you. Here you go.
Thanks, Oma.
Hey, how can I help you feel better?
Could you please hold my hand?
I sure can.
Can you tell me everything will be all right?
Oh, everything will be all right, Wolfie. It's just clouds bumping together far away and they can't hurt us.
Oh, I didn't jump that time, and my heart isn't racing anymore. Thanks, Oma. I feel happy tucked up inside, all safe and snuggly with you.
Oh, anytime, Wolfie.
Haki roto, haki waho. Kei te pauri ahau, I'm feeling sad. Gonna go for a walk, get out of this bed. He mama, I'm feeling hurt. Gonna read a book to make it work. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro. Taku manawa, My heart has a bruise. Gonna talk to my mate. I've got nothing to lose. My mind is foggy, so I'll go for a run. Get my way to a beck, so I can have some fun. Hau ora, tahi ne ngaro. Hau ora, tahi ne ngaro. Hau ora, tahi ne ngaro. Hau ora, tahi ne ngaro.
Hey, Ricky, you like to dance, right?
Woo! No, I don't like to dance.
Hey, I thought you did.
You didn't let me finish, Buzz. I don't like to dance. I love to dance.
Phew, because it's taco time. Let's boogie, bestie. And salsa. And salsa. And I'm off. And I'm off.
He's off. I'm off. I'm off. Oh, yeah.
All right, my friends. Today we're going to play a little game I like to call All the Fields Dance Party.
Dance? Oh, I love it already, Buzz.
When you hear the music, you have to dance the way the music makes you feel. For example, if the music makes you feel energetic, you could dance like this.
Oh.
Or if the music makes you feel slow and thoughtful, you could dance like this. Got it there, Hoama?
Got it, eh, Hoa?
Yay! Take your places! Yay! Mohio, can you please be in charge of the music?
Aye, DJ Moorhill, ready when you are.
Okay, whānau, get ready for our All the Fields dance party. Mohio, drop a beat. Next song, please, Mohio. Next song, please, Mohio. Next song, please, Mohio. Okay, Mohio, shuffle surprise.
I love this game, Buzz.
I'm a horse. I'm a horse. What's up?
I'm in a hip hop dance class. I love it because it lets out a lot of energy. It's also really fun.
I like that Richie makes up lots of cool moves.
Robot arms, right on top, left on bottom. And then after we do that, we're gonna drop down like this. 3.
They're getting trickier and trickier. But I get them right.
I like doing the robot. Dancing is really fun.
When I learn the whole dance, I feel really proud.
You guys have done so good today. I want you all to give me a big high five. Give me a big high five. Ted, yeah, good boy. Good boy.
We all do high fives. I love hip hop.
Kia ora. Did you know that animals feel emotions too? Kuri show us they're feeling happy by wagging their tails. And ngeru, cats, purr when they're happy.
Purr.
Ooh, and a whike can change colour based on their mood. If they're feeling cranky, they can turn darker.
Oh!
And if they're curious or excited, they might turn a bright colour.
Oh! Tickle, 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 tickle!
My turn to tickle you.
Oh, back it up. Back it up.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh, where am I going? Flee! Flee! Flee!
Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi kia tapatahi ki a kotahira. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi kia tapatahi ki a kotahira. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi kia tapatahi ki a kotahira.
Kia ora. You know, when I think about performing kapa haka, sometimes my heart beats faster and my puku feels tingly. Why is that, Mōhio?
That's because you're feeling excited and nervous at the same time.
Wow. So excited and nervous feel really similar.
They do. I feel like that sometimes when I dance. My body's getting ready to do something that's really important to me.
Well, is there anything we can do to calm our nerves?
Taking deep breaths can help calm our nerves.
Oh, ha kina. Ha puta.
Oh, breathe in. Breathe out. Ah, thanks, Mōhio. I'm feeling a lot more mauri tau now and ready for kapa haka practice.
And I'm ready for dance class. And lucky last. Ta-da! Ah, perfect. Oh, I wonder what this button does. 3, 2, 1. Beep! Wow! Ooh. Woo!
I love playing rugby with my big brother. That's next. I'm really good at kicking. I can throw up the ball really high. Sometimes I go at the roof.
Oh! Well done, Naki. Almost on the roof there.
I like to practice with my rugby team. I really love playing rugby. I love getting points and stuff so my team can win.
My little brother's getting really good at rugby. I'll give him lots of encouragement.
Well done, Lucky.
We try to see how much time we can throw the ball without dropping it.
11.
We got up to 19.
I want to see how high I can throw, Lucky. Yeah.
I play rugby in a team too. I love practicing rugby with my little brother.
Bye.
Hi there, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about playing on a seesaw. In the playful town of Wellington, sisters Jean and Joy took their little brother, Jaden, to the playground. Jean wanted to play on the monkey bars, but Jaden was too little to reach them. Joy wanted to fly high on the swings, but the seats were too big for Jaden. On the other side of the playground was the seesaw. Perfect. Racing over the bright red seesaw, Jean helped little Jaden onto one side as Joy leapt onto the other side. The seesaw teetered, then tipped. Big sister Joy sank to the bottom while little Jaden flew to the top. Little Jaden got a big fright from suddenly being so high, and he began to cry. "Oh no," said Joy, "I'm sorry." Joy pushed her side of the seesaw off the ground so that Jaden's came down. "I have an idea," said Jean, climbing onto the seesaw on her little brother's side. This time, the seesaw teetered, then tipped, and little Jaden and Jean sank to the bottom while Joy flew to the top. Jaden giggled as the seesaw bounced at the bottom. "Together, he and I are heavier than you," said Jean to Joy. "I get it," said Joy. "The seesaw will always sink towards the heavier side." They spent the afternoon bouncing up and down on the seesaw. Little Jaden had lots of fun, and the girls loved seeing their little brother laugh every time he bounced at the bottom. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha e noho rā. Ka kite